guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the popcorn delivery trike. So it comes with the sheep mother, Barbara. Here's all the contents on the side. And some pictures on the back. So it shows that you can turn a bit on the side and it will make the popcorn pop up, and then scoop it out and put it into the pots and then enjoy. So it says a bit about Barbara on here. So it says, Barbara sells popcorn from a special bike. The children get excited every time she arrives. The smell of the butter, the sound of the popcorn popping, and it tastes so good. The children were looking forward to their tasty treat so much that they started eating it right then and there. It's a good thing the popcorn is in a nice sturdy box. Save some for later, children. And then it says about the amusement park, which I'm sure I've read so many times before, but why not read it again? On the other side of a big forest is a castle tower. Through the gate lies a magical world, a theme park just for babies called Sylvanian land. You can see the buses pulling up and babies hurrying off, looking forward to all the fun they're about to have. Inside the park are all the fun things you can imagine. Exciting rides here, a colourful parade there. Everywhere you look, you can see babies having a wonderful time. And then this side we have a picture of it with the ice cream van, pictures of the other amusement park sets as well. So now let's open it. Got my scissors ready. I'm so excited, it looks so cool. So we already have the old candy floss bike, Trike, which actually came with, I think it was Dolly, Dale, the aunt of the sheep family. But now this is a popcorn trike, which comes with the mother, Barbara. So they're both in the same business of selling food on their bikes. So I think that's really cool. It don't actually come with any paper or catalogues or anything, which is interesting. So here is Barbara Dale. I love her dress and the little apron bit at the front. So it's blue and red, which matches the colour of the trike, which I'm going to get out now. It's got a bit at the bottom to twist to get it out. It should come out now. Hopefully. Is it tied in? Must be tied somewhere. Can't see where though. Oh, a bit swollen at the bottom. So I've managed to get the popcorn trike out now. And the little bits in here, I've just opened the top bit. So we have some little cupcakes. So it's not just popcorn. These really pretty little lollipops. They're like see-through. This little stand, which then the lollipops can go into, I think. Like that. And then we've got this that you can put the popcorn in. It's a nice little kind of gift as well, I think. When you go to the, or like a souvenir, when you go to the amusement park, and then you can get popcorn, and then you've got that to keep as well. Little cakes are so cute, little muffins. And then the popcorn is in here. which I'll just pop out. There we go. I've got 6 bits of popcorn. And then we have the scoop and 4 pots of popcorn, and at the back you can put your paw in there. So it's already got some popcorn in, and then you can put this bit on top, so then it looks like you've eaten some. There's 2 more of those. So now I'm just going to set it all up. So I've set this stand up already, and then put the scoop, will that go in there? I think. And then these pots can go up there. Oh! Maybe I might put the scoop in the basket at the top. And then, oh, I guess that's where the popcorn comes out of, so it goes in there. And then, oh, that door's really hard to open. Quite stiff. There we go. And put the popcorn all in there. Shut the door. These can just go on the back, I think. Sweet. Oh, it can hang up there as well. I guess that's what that bit there's for. Then we've got Barbara. And now I'll try pop in the popcorn. Wow. It's quite strong when you kind of pop it. Oh, it pops up quite high. Wow, that's so cool. So cute. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye.